How to block spam emails in Gmail. First, open your Gmail app or desktop, find the email you want to block. It could be a newsletter, a fake promo, or just plain spam. Step 2. In the email, tap the three dots menu in the top right corner of the message. This opens up a list of actions. Step 3. Tap block. After that, Gmail will automatically move future emails from the sender to your spam folder. Step 4. If it looks like phishing or dangerous spam, tap report spam or report phishing instead. This helps Gmail learn and block similar messages system-wide. Step 5. If you want to block multiple emails or create custom rules, go to Settings, Filters, and Block Addresses on desktop. You can create filter to auto-delete, label, or send unwanted emails straight to spam. And that's it.